If you're dreaming of hitting the open road without the hassle of a massive RV, meet the 2025 Casita Patriot, a compact travel trailer that proves big adventures can come in small packages. Designed by Texas-based Casita Travel Trailers, the Patriot is one of the smallest, lightest, and most customizable RVs on the market today. And despite its petite size, it's built to offer all the comforts of home on the go. Casita has long been known for their durable fiberglass-bodied trailers that are easy to tow, store, and maintain. The Patriot lineup perfectly reflects their travel easier philosophy. With an overall length of just 15 feet, the Patriot may look like a fiberglass egg on wheels, but it's engineered to deliver serious comfort and versatility. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a multi-week road trip, this little trailer packs a mighty punch. The 2025 Casita Patriot is offered in two primary versions, Standard and Deluxe. The Standard model is perfect for families or small groups, offering bunk bed sleeping for up to 4. But if you're a couple looking for a little more convenience, the Deluxe version adds a compact bathroom and a U-shaped dinette that converts into a cozy sleeping area for 2. Customization is where the Patriot truly shines. Want something ultra-lightweight and bare bones? Go for the ultra-light package, which strips away non-essential features to reduce weight and cost. Prefer something more fully loaded? Casita gives you the freedom to build your dream camper with options like a full galley kitchen, wet bath, entertainment package, solar power, and more. The 2025 updates bring some exciting new features to the Patriot line. Frameless bonded windows now come as an option, enhancing both the appearance and weather resistance. The rear receiver hitch, rated at 150 pounds, is ideal for attaching a bike rack, and new two-tone Casita decals give it a fresh modern look. Inside, you can now choose from more interior color combinations and materials, including a stylish new sand dune low-profile wall finish. Let's talk specs. The Standard Patriot weighs just 1,950 pounds, while the Deluxe model comes in at 2,350 pounds, making either model easily towable by most mid-size SUVs or crossovers. It's 6.8 feet wide with an interior height of 6.2 feet, so it's comfortable without being bulky. Both models ride on a sturdy single-axle chassis with support jacks for extra stability. The Deluxe version features a wet bath complete with a flushing toilet, halo shower, and compact sink. There's also smart storage, a watertight cabinet, and the option for an outdoor shower. The kitchen includes a 3.3 cubic foot fridge, 2-burner gas or electric cooktop, deep sink, and range hood. You can even add a Mega Chef electric cooker or stainless steel upgrades. Fresh water capacity is 16 gallons, with 15 gallons for black water and 13 gallons for gray. Not huge, but plenty for weekend warriors or campsite stays. For those who crave independence, an optional solar package includes a 300 battery, 200 WP suitcase-style panel, and a 2,000-volt inverter, enabling extended off-grid travel. Casita emphasizes that the Patriot offers the luxury of home in the most lightweight and value-retaining package available. And with pricing starting at just $19,999 for the Standard Ultra-Lite or $24,996 for the Deluxe version, it's also one of the most affordable, high-quality trailers in its class. Compact, comfortable, and customizable, the 2025 Casita Patriot is the perfect match for adventurers who want to roam far without towing heavy. From cozy weekend escapes to epic cross-country treks, this little trailer is built to keep up with your wanderlust.